Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change the display language in Bing. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Bing browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang tong 3-line icon na to, so click mo lang siya. And then next ay, kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings, and then dito sa settings, and then select mo lang dito yung more. Okay, so i-click mo lang itong more. And then dito sa left side, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung language. Okay, so i-click mo lang itong language. And then ito na siya. So choose your display language. So nandito lahat yung mga language na pwede mong i-select. Meron dito yung Arabic, Spanish, French, Korean, Japanese. And then pwede mong i-click itong see more language para sa mga other options na language dito. Okay, so nandito lahat. Alright, so select ka lang dito. And then, dito naman sa baba ay may dalawang options dito na pwede nating select. Ang select languages to appear in search results. So, may option dito na I prefer results in English and then I prefer results in this language. So, click mo lang siya. So, once nakapag-select ka na dito, and then dito naman sa baba ay click mo lang itong save. Okay, click mo lang siya. And then, ganun na po kasimple. Alright, so ganun lang po kung paano tayo mag-change ng display language on Bing. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.